The flicker fixer slides into the video slot beside the power supply. Remove the two screws securing the video slot cover and gently insert the flicker fixer, then tighten with the supplied screws. The flicker fixer outputs a higher frequency video signal than the standard Amiga video port, and therefore requires a multiscanning or VGA compatible monitor. Here a Zenith flat screen is being used. Multi-sync monitors also work well. Special cabling is usually required to connect these monitors to the Amiga or flicker fixer. After creating initial artwork with paint software, a graphic artist may wish to create three-dimensional pictures using a number of unique and powerful software packages. Until recently, these capabilities were restricted to large, expensive computer systems. Packages such as Videoscape 3D from Aegis Development and Caligari from Octree Software allow the graphic artist to create wireframe and shaded objects quickly that can be moved and viewed from any angle or viewpoint. Sculpt 3D from Byte by Byte and Turbo Silver from Impulse allow the Amiga artist to design objects and scenes with an even greater degree of realism, using a technique known as ray tracing to individually calculate the color and intensity of every pixel on the screen. The graphic artist can make the objects cast shadows by specifying the placement of lamps, and even set the angle of the lens from which their imaginary object is viewed. Another powerful feature is the ability to change the texture of an object's surface. The textures can range from the dull, rough finish of stone to glass to the brilliant reflectivity of a mirrored ball. While the effects achieved with ray tracing are astounding, it can sometimes take hours to generate a single picture. The addition of a CPU accelerator card utilizing a 68020 or 68030 with an optional math coprocessor can reduce ray tracing to minutes. At some point, an artist will want to output their work to show the client. The most common form of output is a printer. Through the Amiga operating system, almost all software supports a wide variety of printers. The Hewlett-Packard PaintJet is a versatile and compact color inkjet printer that can produce remarkable full-color and black and white graphic printouts. The PaintJet is connected to the computer by attaching the 25-pin male printer cable to the parallel port. Since NewTek's DigiView utilizes the parallel port, a switching box can be employed to allow both devices to share the port. Connection is simple. The DigiView and printer cables are plugged into the switching box A and B connectors. A 25-pin male-to-male cable connects the Amiga's parallel port to the switching box. Select the proper device with a push of the button. Using the Polaroid palette with imprint software from American Liquid Light, Polaroid instant prints, 35mm prints, or slides can be made of artwork. Imprint will also produce the color separations required for commercial full-color printing. Several cameras or film backs are available for the palette and can be swapped in a matter of seconds. The 35mm film back has an additional wire that runs from the camera to the back of the palette to control the camera's shutter. The imprint adapter box comes with serial and RCA cables that plug into the Polaroid palette. A combination cable is provided to attach the adapter to the video port and the serial port of the Amiga. Once an image is loaded and displayed on the screen, it can be put onto film. The film type must be specified. The black space or raster lines on non-interlaced pictures can be eliminated. Upon specifying a single exposure, a batch, or a color separation, and selecting Continue, the picture is transferred to the palette. Creating typeset quality text and combining the text with graphics is easy with Professional Page from Gold Disc, a desktop publishing program that contains a powerful set of text manipulation and graphic handling tools. Professional Page shows how the final output will look, whether it's in full color or just black and white. Professional Page can output to dot matrix, color inkjet, and PostScript compatible laser printers and photo typesetters. Amiga graphics can be recorded onto videotape by using an Amiga 520 video adapter connected to the Amiga's RGB video port, or by sliding an Amiga 2300 Genlock board into the internal video slot. The Genlock feature of the 2300 allows Amiga graphics to be superimposed over any incoming video source, such as a camera or a second videotape recorder. An RCA to RCA cable is used to connect the video out on the 520 or 2300 to the video in on a VCR. The most dramatic way to represent an artistic design is through animation. The speed of the Amiga, combined with a wide range of powerful animation software, gives the graphic designer an opportunity to create an amazing number of special effects, like color cycling, page flipping, and metamorphic transformations. With Animate 3D from Byte by Byte, any image created with Sculpt 3D can be animated, from spectacular animation to slide presentation to full-page ads. The Commodore Amiga provides the artist and designer with powerful tools for any size job. Amiga makes child's play of the designer's work, freeing the imagination. Amiga makes it easy. Only Amiga makes it possible.